Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Carla and thank you so much for being here today. Today's video is going to be a lot of cleaning. This was actually later in the day. This was a Saturday and my son and I were home by ourselves. My husband went out kayaking this weekend, so I wanted to go ahead and get like a whole house clean, but it did not get done. You guys, at the end of this night, I ended up with a migraine. It was horrible. I felt so sick and I thought I can take something and then maybe get up Sunday morning and clean. But you guys, it just did not happen. I woke up Sunday morning and it was just so bad. It was so intense that I stayed in bed till about noon. And then I got up and did a little bit of some meal prepping, but it was just so bad, you guys. I felt so nauseous. So I only ended up cleaning up the kids' bedrooms and their bathroom and my living area. And then my bedroom and the kitchen just stayed not cleaned up for about a day and a half. Or maybe 2 days, I'm not sure. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. So just sit back and enjoy, and I will hop on here if I have something to share with you guys.
But stay with me tonight, 'cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd.
I was interrupted during this filming because she needs to go somewhere. Let's see where she's taking me. Do you need to go outside? All right. This is all she does is bark at people. Back to cleaning. Guys, I was in the middle of filming and I see this. All her stuffed animals are under her bed, and then this little creepy thing is like looking at me. It's so weird. But I'd rather have them under the bed than on the bed because her bed is so annoying to make, and then to have to put back all those animals on the bed, I have to find a better way to store those stuffed animals. So yeah, I just thought that was super funny. I walked in and I'm like, what in the world? But it's fine. I'd rather have them there than just spread out all over the bed. But let's get back to finishing this room.
When the heat be rising and we still gliding, nothing's gonna change how we feel. It's a wondrous ride. Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it go.
All right, guys, this room is done. All I had to do is vacuum and change out their sheets. That way when they come back on Friday, everything is nice and clean. And here is the little desk area. I shared on my Instagram stories. This is from the Target dollar spot, and so is this. I wish that they had more of these so each child can have one, but my stepson was asking for a desk calendar, so I just went ahead and got him that and then decided to just make this his. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging just because I want to make sure that he likes it and he's going to use it. So I decided to just leave it in the packaging, and I decided to leave that in the packaging just in case he doesn't want it or my husband doesn't think that that will be helpful for him, but I think it would be. He can write down everything he needs to do, and it's perfect. It's small. It's not this huge board. We did have a huge board before, but it was for all the kids. This one, I like it because it's small and it's individual. Like I said, I wish they had more, but they only had one. So I decided to just put it here for now. So I'm trying to figure out what else I can do. I do want to switch out the little cup holder because that's actually mine that I had in the craft room. So I think I'm going to give him something else. Actually, I might go do that. Hold on just a second. All right, so I decided I have this one, change it out and put all this in here. And I feel like that's better, but yeah, there's still definitely, this desk needs some work, but this is just for him to do his work, for him to get a little bit organized. So I think this will work, but I'm going to go ahead and get back to the rest of the cleaning because it is already, let's see what that says over there, 6:28 in the evening. So back to cleaning, you guys. All right, guys, and now it's the bathroom. So my stepkids always go back to their mom on Fridays, and they already started school. So this is kind of what they left yesterday morning when they went to school. Hair products out. Yeah, so let's see how bad this is. I haven't been in here. All right, missing some toilet paper. Let's see, so there's a empty toilet roll. Toilet paper up there, toilet paper there, but nothing on the toilet paper holder. How hard is it to just put the roll right here? You guys, this lifts so easily. It just comes up. You can take it out. So I will have to do that in a second, but I'm actually using my phone because my camera died, or the batteries. So I'm actually charging 2 of them right now. So hopefully I can film, but let's see. I love the way this is looking. I don't know, I just had to share this with you guys. I did this in my last video. I bought this it was in the living room, so I just kind of shopped my house. I thought that was super cute, but anyways, once the camera or the battery charges, we're gonna go ahead and get this done. So I will see you guys hopefully soon. Bye guys.
Need anybody else? We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
All right, you guys, bathroom is done, clean. Sink looks so much better. And toilet paper, where the toilet paper goes. That wasn't very hard. So all this is done and clean. Now off to the next room. All right, guys, I forgot one thing. So I got this candle, TJ Maxx. I love getting my candles there. White pumpkin. I just love the white pumpkin. Oh my gosh. So we're just going to light this baby up. Have it smelling like fall in here. I know it's kind of early, but I just love this candle. I love every single candle, I think, but this one smells super amazing. So just gonna let that make this room smell like fall. And we're gonna go back to the cleaning.
All right, this room doesn't need very much, but I definitely need to change the sheets because my parents were here last weekend and we didn't change the sheets when they left. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, but there's not really that much to do in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get started.
To be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box.
All right, guys, the room is done. Now I am going to take this candle here, which I lit, I thought I was gonna light this up somewhere else, but I decided to bring it in here. But this smells so good. It's called sandalwood, and I was never into like spicy smells or like, what is that? Like those strong like spice pine or wood or something, whatever they call that. I'm more into fruity, but this smells really good. And I guess because it's in my son's room and it kind of matches a little bit, I just decided to light it up in here. I think it matches him. I would not light this up in my room, but in his room, I think it'll be just fine because I like fruity smells, but I thought that this would be good in here. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up, and we're gonna go probably to the living area because it is already 7:10. Oh my gosh, you guys. I want to try to get as much done as I possibly can tonight. So let's go ahead and head on to the living area.
Love me like love me like a stranger.
Okay, I really wanted to show you this. This is how full it was from when I vacuumed in the kids' room. Now, I went ahead and emptied it, and I went ahead and vacuumed this area where this rug is. Now, this is where Bella, our dog, loves to hang out, and she loves to eat her treats that we give her on the carpet. For some reason, she always takes her treats to the carpet. And then I will show you how it looks after I was done, and oh my gosh, it was just insane how much she sheds. It was mainly dog hair and then of course little bits and pieces of like her biscuits, but oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. It is ridiculous. This dog sheds like crazy. But at this point of the video, it started getting darker outside and I just started getting a headache. It was very mild at this point, but I knew that something was coming, and that is why I could not finish. I went ahead and finished the dining where we eat, just because we had gone to the grocery store earlier and I had left some stuff out that needed to go in the pantry on the table. But you guys, after I finished the table, I was like, I am done. I am ready to go shower and put on my PJs and relax. And I did not get up until noon the next day. Not because I was lazy, but because the migraine was so severe. It just made me so sick. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can get